Sis.
Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Children, now let us discuss why do we do Ayudha Puja. Let us see what is the significance of Ayudha Puja. We look at the significance of Ayudha Puja as Sadhguru explains how this festival can be important tool for growth and much more than just a ritual. Ayudha Puja means worship of tools or instrument and is a very important part of the Navaratri festival. It is celebrated on the ninth day or Navami Tithi of Navaratri festival. Demon king Mahishasura was killed by goddess Durga Devi after 8 days of fierce battle between the two. After killing the demon king, weapons of the goddess were kept for worship. To commemorate this, people keep aside on the day to pray for the tools and instruments that are used for their daily living. Ayudha Puja is celebrated on the last day of Navaratri before Dasara. In many places, especially in South India, Ayudha Puja is also celebrated as Saraswati Puja. As per the mythology, as we discussed, the demon Mahishasura and his group of other demons were believed to be slain by Chamundeswari. So this victory is celebrated on Ayudha Puja. Another mythological belief is that Arjuna hid tools in a tree while he was in exile. Then later on a day before Vijayadashami, he collected his tools and went for the war to Kurukshetra. History shows that he had won the war, and from then on people keep one day aside to bless all items that are used for daily livings. Then the day after that it is taken to start new work, and that the day is named as Vijayadashami. After the 8th day of Navaratri, all the weapons and tools are placed in front of the goddess to gain her blessings and favor. Whatever tool or equipment needed to bless will have to be cleaned, polished before presenting to the goddess. Then a mix of fresh turmeric and sandalwood paste is prepared and a tilak is placed in the center of the tool. Prior to celebration, they are arranged on a platform and decorated with flowers. For students, this is a time when they can keep books and all their study material for receiving blessings to perform well. Devotees should take care that their items should not be disturbed, and bhajans and pujans should be conducted during the whole time.